What drew me to stay is I completed my undergrad studies at the Faculty of Health Sciences and I had an incredible time, so it was an incredibly easy choice to do my MPH at SFU. The focal point of the programs that drew me in were the capstone project as well as the practicum, and I am excited to continue my relationships, new existing, with faculty and professors.
FHS faculty inspired me to pursue my Master of Science degree during my undergraduate degree. During my 4th year of my Bachelor of Science, I took several courses that had methods similar to research. These courses then inspired me to take directed study and research courses with Dr. Tucker and Dr. Allen. I held several meetings with both of them where we discussed my interests both in work and research. Because of this, I was inspired to take a Master of Science degree. I examined my options at SFU and other institutions. I was accepted to several programs, but my interests best aligned with Dr. Megan Winters, who is now my supervisor.
Through exposure to research and their holistic curriculum, I've developed an understanding of core public health practices and policies. This has not only honed in on my public solving and critical thinking skills, but I'm also able to tackle public health issues locally and internationally.
The theory and skills that we learn and are able to apply to tackle real-world issues, along with this overarching emphasis on social justice, self-reflexivity, and intersectoral exchange and interprofessional collaboration, really does continue to shape my academic growth and my professional growth as well.
The MSc program at FHS has contributed to both my academic and professional growth. The interdisciplinary staff at FHS has both qualitative and epidemiological experience, making me a more well-rounded researcher. The program has also been supportive with funding, research, as well as the publication process. I also took a CERI fellowship during my MSc degree. CERI helped me gain community engagement skills, which I will use both in my research as well as my future career. Professionally, the program has offered me the opportunity to share my research with various audiences, such as the Emerging Mobility Scholars Conference at the University of Toronto.
As I aspire to become a practitioner working in preventive medicine, my goal is to really bridge this gap between public health and primary care by advocating for priority populations and health equity, and by improving the health and well-being of our communities and our populations. The MPH program has really contributed to this goal through in-class learning and through the technical skills and practical experiences that I've gained that have really allowed me to develop and to carve out a really comprehensive public health repertoire that I can take with me and that can inform my practice moving forward.
The MPH program has been instrumental in guiding me towards my career goals and objectives. The MPH program at FHS has not only enhanced my knowledge and skills, but also propelled me closer to my career objectives in the area of public health.
The program has allowed me to speak to many different populations, including city staff, policymakers, as well as equity-deserving populations. The program has opened many doors to future career paths, such as a potential PhD, and I'm excited to see where it goes.
So the MPH program fosters interdisciplinary collaboration and learning through multiple avenues, whether that be through our in-class activities and dialogue, our MPH practicum and thesis and capstone projects. Myself and other students have also been quite involved in extracurricular activities, such as student government, student groups, and committees, where we're really able to practice intersectoral exchange and interdisciplinary collaboration, and it really allows us to grow further as students and as future public health professionals.
SFU has also connected me with many bright future health science scholars, and it has been a pleasure to hear about their research as well as their experiences. As an aspiring researcher, hearing different thoughts on methodologies and theories and expanding my research toolbox are very important to me. The program has also reaffirmed my interest in research as well as the type of research I am interested in.
The faculty is very supportive and very welcoming. I do believe that they truly care about us as students, they care about our voices, and they do their best to incorporate our feedback to improve our learning experience overall. We have found mentors through our classes, the MPH practicum, capstone, and thesis projects, and overall, I do believe that they want us to succeed as future public health professionals.
The faculty in the MSc program have been very supportive. Dr. Megan Winters has been a great mentor. She was very hands-on when need be, and she let me take the reins when the time was right. She has pushed me and inspired me both as a student and as a researcher, and she made sure I got the most out of my MSc degree. Dr. Tucker has also been very supportive. I was a TA for her for Health Sciences 130 and Health Sciences 345. During these courses, I learned presentation skills, teaching skills, as well as leadership.
There's a strong sense of community among the MPH program. Our cohort is inclusive, welcoming, and kind. We always are having study groups and supporting each other in our academic and career aspirations. The mentorship program with the second years is also another avenue where we connect with second year students and they're able to give us advice and tips. Overall, we all share a common passion for public health and a commitment to improving the well-being of communities.
We also make an effort to build a sense of community outside of the classroom. So that includes social events that are open to all FHS graduate students. And I think that really does a great job of strengthening our sense of community moving forward.
For students curious about research, you just have to find the right opportunities to immerse yourself in research at FHS. This can be through an honors project, doing directed studies, or connecting with professors you've had in the past to work or volunteer in their lab. FHS has numerous opportunities for research. You just have to find the opportunity that aligns with your goals and career.